Welcome, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key. This will bring up several boot options. So from here, once you see those, what you want to do is hold the power off option. When you hold it, it will change into reboot to safe mode. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK, and this will initiate reboot. Now once the device boots back up, you will see a watermark in the bottom left corner of the screen, basically saying safe mode. That is just so you are aware that we are in the desired mode. And in that mode, only the essential apps will work. So any app that you have installed will be disabled from starting up, while all the ones that came with the device will still be usable. And that is so we can test if some kind of app is causing your device problems. So let's just simply wait for this to boot up into the safe mode. And there we go. So there is the watermark, safe mode. And you can already see that this button that was previously here is not starting up. And basically any kind of widget is also not going to work, along with basically any kind of third-party application won't work either. Now, to leave this mode, once you're done with it, all you need to do is hold the power key once more, and this time around simply tap on restart. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And there we go, we are now back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.